Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth speaker to your laptop. So first you just need to turn on your Bluetooth speaker, press it for seconds, 3 seconds and it will turn on. After turning on the Bluetooth, next you just need to go to your PC and now you just need to turn on your Bluetooth from your PC. So just go to the right corner, you can turn on the Bluetooth from here, click on this widget icon and then you can find the Bluetooth here. If you don't find the Bluetooth here, you're connected for the first time, you should go to the start menu, right click on it, then go to settings. After opening the settings, just go to the Bluetooth and devices from the left here. Then here you just need to turn on the Bluetooth. And now as you can see, my Bluetooth is already connected because I have already add the device in my PC. So if you don't find the device in your PC, you just need to click on add device and click on Bluetooth and it will find the device for you and then you can connect your Bluetooth speaker in your PC. So this will show you this M3 or whatever speaker that you have and this will connect it. So now for the test, I can use this speaker. Now I can use this to see the video. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.